Hi guys, welcome back to another May vlog every day in May.
So close to your face.
Because my arms aren't long enough to hold it away and it's more discreet like that. We've just come to Sandringham again, but actually it's nothing to do with the house or anything, it's just on their estate. It's a food, wood and craft fair. So we're back from Sandringham. We spent a lot of time watching people carve things out of wood with chainsaws. It was amazing. I cannot believe how detailed and how talented these people were. And then what they did is afterwards, so I think they'd been doing like a competition over the weekend maybe, or over the day. So some of the big things that you saw, they were all auctioned off at the end of the day. Hang on, let me just turn that. Just got to put another pizza in the oven. Hang on, put that. Put Lucy's pizza in the oven. And the air fryer's going as well. Yeah, I can't believe how talented these people were. So yeah, they auctioned them off. They had a starting price of £200 for the bigger ones, and some had reserves on. And some didn't meet their reserve, unfortunately. But I think people liked everything. It's just that some of them were so big, they were like, how the hell am I going to get this home, and where the hell am I going to put it? The one that won it was the Wizard, and that didn't sell. It didn't hit the reserve. Some of the others didn't have reserves on because the artists that made it were from another country. Like there was one from Canada. I don't think he wanted to ship his thing back to Canada, so it was like, yeah, it goes for what it goes for. And then the thing that we saw them carving up, it wasn't a competition, but they had half hour to do a carving, and they auctioned them off as well. We were just standing there for ages watching that. Hang on. Bear with me. Just putting pizzas in because sorry, I haven't felt great all weekend really, and I feel very tired. So we've just bought some pizzas on the way back. But yeah, so it was a really good event. Lots of craft stalls as well. Some beautiful, beautiful art. We went to go back and get a print, but by the time we'd finished watching all the wood carving, everyone had gone. It was like, where is everyone? So unfortunately the store had packed up, so we didn't get that. Craig bought a hat. We got the food. The food was amazing. Yeah, so all in all, it was a good event. So we're back home now. I'm just chucking some pizzas in the oven. In the oven. Some wedges in the air fryer. Some onion rings in the air fryer. We're gonna have that, and then just gonna sit. We've got Sky fitted today, so we haven't had it the whole time I've been paying for it. We just haven't had it fitted because we were umming and ahhing whether we were going to keep it or not, but we have, and they've upgraded us to something else, Sky Q or something or other, because we were on like the really old box. So we've got Sky, so I can watch like everything. I've got to work out how to use it, but I forgot we had it actually. Yeah, but that was fitted this morning. Yeah, and I think we're just going to chill. It's quite cold now. I don't know if it's cold because I feel cold because I'm not feeling well, but yeah, so I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. I just sort of did some little filming of the different stalls and stuff, or what I could. But I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.